Welcome to YouTube channel Maths class for 10th class children. Chapter 2 class 2. In the previous class I explained about sets. What is the sets? Once I recall, the collection of well defined things or ideas is called sets. So what are the present in the sets is called things are called elements. These elements are separated by commas. Okay. So I request you, if you watch my channel first time, please do subscribe my channel and like it and share it to your friends and classmates. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. I will give the reply definitely. You can give the suggestion to me in comment box also. If you do not watch my previous classes about uh, real numbers, I will provide the playlist link in the description box. You can watch the uh, real number chapter also. Let's go to the today's class. Let us observe the do this problem. You all to write in classwork also. Do this. Identify and write the common property of following collection. So what is the first one? First question: 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. Dash dash dash. So what type of numbers it is? Yes, these are even numbers. So you can write. What is the common property? The set of numbers or the collection of numbers. What is the common property? Every number is a even number. So common property is even numbers. So here set of even numbers. So don't write set. Common is what? Even numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What numbers it is? Yes. These are, you can write, given numbers are odd numbers. Next 1, 2, 1, 4, 9, 16 dash dash. What is the common property in these numbers? Can you guess? Yes, you are correct. 1 square means 1. 2 square means 4. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. Next 25. 5 square 25. Okay. So what numbers these are? Yes, perfect squares. What numbers it is? Perfect square. Fourth question. Answer is perfect square. So fourth question. January, February, March, April. January, February, March, April. January, February, March, April. So what are these? Yes, months in a year. What are these? Months in a year. So thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. What are these? The fingers of hand. Isn't it? It's names of fingers. It is a names of fingers. So next we have think, discuss. Observe the following collection and prepare as many as generalized statement you can describing their more properties. So what are the first question? 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is the even numbers, isn't it? So set of even natural numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 16. What type of numbers it is? Yes, these are perfect squares. Set of perfect squares. Okay. So next, let us see what he has given in textbook, the definition of set. So you can write this definition also in classwork. A set is a collection of things that have something in common. A set is a collection of things that something in common or follow a rule. The things in the set are called elements. Already I said what present in the set which are called elements. The set notation use the braces. So these are called brace brackets as well as we call flower brackets also. Okay, brace brackets with elements are separated by commas. What elements present in the set? These elements are separated commas, and the common rule decide the elements of sets. The common rule decide the elements of sets. అంటే ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అందులో ప్రజెంట్ అవ్వాలనేది ఆ కామన్ రూల్ అనేది డిసైడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వెన్ వీ వాంట్ టు రైట్ ఎ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్, first 5 prime numbers. How many prime numbers? 5 only. It can be written as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Isn't it? Yes, this is the example. You can write example, keep example and set A. A is capital A. Sets are denoted by capital A only. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital letters only. You are using capital letters. ఇక్కడ మనం capital letters అనేటివి ఉపయోగిస్తాం. So A is equal to set of elements A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 11. You have to write like that example. Okay, next we go for do this. First do this. What is the first do this? Write the following sets. Write the following set of first 5 positive integers. First 5 positive integers. First 5 positive integers. Write the set of first 5 positive integers. The set of first 5 positive integers. What is the positive integer? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements. Okay. Set of the first 5 positive integers. You write like this. This is the set. Okay. Second question, set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100, less than 125. సో 100 కంటే ఎక్కువ 100 కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్న 5 మల్టిపుల్స్ మనం ఇక్కడ రాయాలి సెట్లో. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ సొల్యూషన్. సెకండ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈజ్ set of elements more than 100, less than 5. So 105. We know that 100 is a multiple. What is the next 5 multiple? 105, 110, 115, 120, less than 125. So you have to stop here. These are the numbers present in the given set. Third problem, set of first 5 cubic numbers. First 5 cubic numbers. So third solution, 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8, and 3 cube means 27, and 4 cube means 64, 5 cube means 125. So what he asked, write first set of first 5 cubic number. These numbers are present in సెట్. సో ఇక్కడ చాలామంది సెట్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఇది ఇట్లా రాయాలి, ఇది ఇట్లా రాయాలి, ఓపెనింగ్ అండ్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్రాకెట్స్ ఇట్లా ఉండాలి. సో అందరూ వేరేగా రాస్తున్నారు. కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి నీట్గా కరెక్ట్గా రాయండి. ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం, సెట్ ఆఫ్ digits in the Ramanujan number. Set of digits in the Ramanujan number. We know that what is the Ramanujan number? 1729. 1729. What digits are present in there? 1, 7, 2, 9. These are the numbers present in the 1729. So you can write 1, 2, 7, 9. You can write like that only. So it is the answer for fourth solution question. Next you keep adding roster form. You keep the roster form heading. So and you can write this. What you write? What you are going to write? We are writing a set by listing the elements in it. Then we can say that the set is written in the roster form. అంటే ఎక్కడైతే మనం ఇందాక రాసినాం కదా సెట్లో ఎలిమెంట్స్, ఆ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనుక డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేది ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏ ఫామ్ అంటున్నామంటే రోస్టర్ ఫామ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇందాక రాసినాం, ఒకటి చూపెడతాను. సో వాడు చెప్పిన కామన్ ప్రాపర్టీ ప్రకారం మనం ఈ సెట్స్లో ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ రాసినాం కదా, ఈ ఫామ్స్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే ఈ బ్రాకెట్స్ పెట్టి ఇట్లా రాయడాన్ని సో ఏమంటున్నామంటే రోస్టర్ ఫామ్ అని అంటున్నాం. వాట్ వీ కాల్ రోస్టర్ ఫామ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ రోస్టర్ ఫామ్. Example, you can write this one or this one, any one of this. Okay, you can write example any one of this. Suppose example, I take this Ramanujan number. I write like this. The set of elements is equal, set of A is equal 1, 2, 7, 9. I write like this. This is the example I have taken here. So what elements are present here? 1, 2, 7, 9. These are the elements. Okay, these elements present here. So ikkada belongs to, we have to discuss about belongs to. So 1 is belongs to A. Why? Because it is 1 is present in the set A. So we can write symbolically. We have to use symbol belongs to symbol. This is the belongs to symbol. We going to use this symbol is belongs to. 1 belongs to A. Its meaning is 1 is present in the set of A. 2 is belongs to A. 7 is belongs to A. 9 is belongs to A. We can write like this. So 3 it does not belongs to A. We can write belongs to symbol and cut it. Its mean is does not belongs to. How can we read 1 belongs to, 3 does not belongs to. 1 belongs to A, 3 does not belongs to A. Understood? I hope you all understood this one. So next you keep adding set builder form. So when we write on this, keep adding set builder form and write this. When we write a set by defining its elements with a common property, we can say that the set in the set builder form. The set builder form should follow the some syntax. So what is the syntax? So has given here. So you have to write from here to here. Then give the example. This one. A set. The set of uh, A is a set of element. A is a set of element X such that these two dots is called such that X is a multiple of 3 and comma X is greater less than 20. So what are the elements present in A? Set A. So he has given here set A. A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These numbers are present in the set A. How can he define? See, A is a set of element. A is a set of elements X such that X is a multiple of 3, comma X less than 20. How can we read this? We read this as A is a set of elements X such that X is a multiple of 3 and X is a less than 20. We can read like that. Okay. So after finish this one from here to here, then keep the example and write A set A ఇట్లా రాసేయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడ వరకు రాసేయాలి. ఓకే. Let us observe roster form and set builder form. Sum of sets. So roster form, this is the roster form, this is the set builder form. So set of elements A is equal A comma E comma I comma O comma U. What are the elements are it is A E I O U? Yes, which are vowels, English vowels. So he has defined X is a set of elements X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabets. Simple. Yes, right. It is converted into set builder form. This is the roster form. It is a set builder form. So here A set of A is equal -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These elements are present in set A. How can he change it into set builder form? A is a set of elements X such that X you should write X is -2 less than or equal to X, -2 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 2. X belongs to Z. Z means integers, which are integers. We represent generally Z or I. Okay. So what he says, less than or equal to X is less than. ఓకే. ఎక్స్ అనేది -2 కంటే చిన్నది లేకపోతే ఈక్వల్ సింబల్ కూడా పెట్టండి. సో లెస్ ద ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు +2. సో 2కి ఈక్వల్ లేకపోతే దానికంటే తక్కువ. ఆ మధ్యలో ఉన్నాయి ఈ నెంబర్స్. ఫినిష్. బి సెట్ బి ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ set of A is equal 1 comma 1/2 comma 1/3 comma 1/4 1/5. These are elements present in the set B. How he can convert into set builder form? B is equal X such that X is equal to 1/n comma n belongs to n, natural numbers. N is a natural number. So ఆ n అనేది ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది? n is less than or equal to 5. So X is a fraction. That's why 1/n he wrote here. 1/n. N is belongs to small n belongs to n, capital N. Capital N is natural number, n అనేది natural number. అది ఎట్లుంది, n is less than or equal to 5, n అనేది 5కి ఈక్వల్ లేకపోతే దానికంటే తక్కువ, అంతే కదా. 1/1 1 ఓన్లీ, 1/2 1/3 1/4, 1 నుంచి 5 వరకు అని అర్థం. ఓకే, C is equal, set of elements C is equal 2, 5, 10, 17. C is equal C is a set of elements x such that x is equal to n square plus 1. N square plus 1, n belongs to capital N, n is less than or equal to 4. Understood? N square. First of all, you take 1. 1 taking means what happened? 1 square. 1 square means 1 only. 1 plus 1, 2. You get the first element. If you take n is equal to 2, ఇక్కడ ఏమంటుండే n అనేది 4 కంటే చిన్నది లేకపోతే 4కి ఈక్వల్ అంటున్నాడు. అంటే 1 నుంచి 4 వరకు మనం n వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది. అంటే 1 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 1 ప్లస్ 1 2, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 కూడా ఉంది కదా నేచురల్ నెంబర్లో, 1 నుంచి 4 వరకు. 2 తీసుకుంటే 2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 5, 3 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 9 ప్లస్ 1 10, 4 స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ 16 ప్లస్ 1 17. You get this one. So if you give the elements, you should observe the common, what is the common property in that set. Okay, and then you convert into set builder form. Let go to next set, do these problems. The list the elements of following sets. What is the first set? G is equal to all the factors of 20. First one. G is equal, I am going to write direct only. So what is this, what he is asking? All the factors of 20. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఏ టేబుల్ అయితే అది 20 అనేది డివిజబుల్ అవుతుందో అవన్నీ కూడా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. అంటే 1 టేబుల్ 1 ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ 20. 1 టేబుల్లో 20 వస్తుంది. 2 టేబుల్, ఎస్ 2 10s are 20. 3 టేబుల్, 4 టేబుల్ 4 5s are 20. 5 టేబుల్, ఎస్ 6 టేబుల్, 5 4s are 10 టేబుల్ వస్తుంది. తర్వాత 20 టేబుల్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 20. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ సెట్ G? What are the elements of set of G? So 1 2 4 5 10 20. These elements present in the set G. So next, F is the multiple of F, the set of the multiple of 4 between 17 and 61, which is divisible by 7. So he has given 2 conditions. First of all, it should be multiple of 4 and it lies between 17 and 61. It is also divisible by 7. Understood? First of all, it is multiple of 4 and it should be lies between 17 and 61. It should be divisible by 7. Understood? Okay. Simply we say that 28 table, which numbers are coming, you have to write there. Why? Because 4 7s are 28. Both are coming in 4 table and 7 table. So which means F is equal 28 and 56. These two numbers are present in the set F as per given definition. Set of all elements X such that X is a letter in the word madam. So when we write if you give the word and write the elements of set, so you have to use you have to take only in the word a letter present in the two times, but you take the element as consider one only. Okay, you have to write the one type only. Third solution, S is equal, set S is equal madam M A D. A and D again present. A and M present two times, but you have to take only one time. Repeated elements are don't write two times, three times. Okay, you have to write one time only. P is equal, P is elements, set of all elements. P is set of all elements X such that X is whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. 3.5 after we get the whole number 4, 5, 6. These numbers are there. So you have to write that. Fourth solution, P is equal 4, 5, 6. These three elements are lies between 3.5 and 6.7. Second bit, write the following sets in the roster form. B is the set of all months in year having 30 days. So 30 days sets months రాయమని అంటున్నారు. So what are the months in 30 days? You can count like this: January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, June. So again I will tell you, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Understood? You have to keep like this. ఏదైతే పైకి ఉంటుందో అది 31 డేస్, ఏదైతే లోపలికి వస్తుందో అది 30 డేస్. జనవరి, ఫిబ్రవరి, మార్చ్, ఏప్రిల్, మే, జూన్, జూలై, ఆగస్ట్, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఆగస్ట్, సెప్టెంబర్, అక్టోబర్, నవంబర్, డిసెంబర్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లోతులో వచ్చినాయి చూసుకోండి. ఓకే, మంత్స్ పేర్లు రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. 30 డేస్ వచ్చిన మంత్స్ యొక్క పేర్లు రాయండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ హోంవర్క్ ఫర్ యూ, హౌ టు రైట్ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్, P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. సో సెట్ లాగా రాసుకోండి. P is equal, second, P is equal, what are the elements present in that smaller than 10? Prime numbers smaller than 10. 2 is 2, 3, 5, 7. So 9 is not prime number, 8 is not prime number. So these numbers are present. This is the solution for second. Third, Third one, X is the set of colors in the rainbow. విబ్జిఆర్ తెలుసు కదా, విబ్జిఆర్లో మీకున్న కలర్స్ ఏంటి, రెయిన్బో కలర్స్ 7 కలర్స్ నేమ్స్ రాయండి. బ్లూ, రెడ్, ఇండిగో అవి ఉన్నాయి కదా, అవి రాయండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్, ఏ ఈజ్ అంటే ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ రాసి సెట్ బ్రాకెట్లో అవి రాయాలి కలర్ నేమ్స్. సో థర్డ్, A is the set of factors of 12. Which one is the following is not a number of set? So factor is 1 is factor of 12, 4 is factor of 12, 5 is not a, 5 is the answer. C is the correct answer. So you have to tick it. టిక్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే ఇటు బ్రాకెట్ పెట్టేసి యూ కీప్ ద బ్రాకెట్ అండ్ రైట్ ద ఆప్షన్ హియర్. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టాప్ హియర్. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ టుడే లెసన్. స్టిల్ యూ డిడ్ నాట్ subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and like it and share it to your friends and classmates. Thank you very much.